Hi everybody, I just wanted to quickly show you how to upload an assignment onto Ctls. So once you log in, you will see on the left side of the screen assignments. You're going to click in. Then once you click in, you'll see all of your child's assignments. You're going to click into the one that you would like to see. Once you click in, you'll see the instructions for the assignment. I might have uploaded some documents to help with the assignment or to give more information. Those will be down here as well if there is some. So when you want to upload your assignment onto Ctls, what you're going to do is you're going to add attachment. You can also, if you've done it on OneDrive and you want to share the link to me, all you have to do is go to OneDrive, click on what you've done, click share, and then copy link. And you can go to add, edit response. Then you can click right here, right click, paste it in, and then the link will be shared with me. If for some reason you can't download your anything off Office 365, then that is another option for you. That is fine with me. If you just want to share the link right in here, then that is perfectly fine. Okay, so if you want to add an attachment from your device, then you're going to click Add Attachment. Then you'll click File. Then you'll find the file that you want to attach. Then you're going to, I'll just add this one just to show. Do that. Then you hit Save and Upload. Then once you hit Save and Upload, this is a really important part because if you don't do this part, then it will not send it to me and I will not see it. So you always want to submit response. So once you click that, it says your response was submitted successfully, and then I will see it on my end of the screen. If you have any questions moving forward about how to submit an assignment into Ctls, feel free to reach out to me on Ctls Parent or email, and we can set up a time and I will walk you through that. But just moving forward, all assignments will need to be submitted onto Ctls. Thank you. You guys have a great day.